welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe, hit the notification button down below, and give this video a thumbs up. I am proud to announce I have 1,000 subscribers. I am so thankful for all you supporters supporting me do this, because without you guys I would, well, obviously without you guys I wouldn't have any subscribers. So yeah, I thank you guys for helping me reach this milestone, and I can't wait for like what the future holds for me in my YouTube career. To celebrate my achievement, I got some apple cider, and so if you have apple cider at home, drink your apple cider while you're watching this video. So yeah, let's crack her open. You guys mean the world to me, and I'm so happy that, you know, there's actually people that like want to watch me and like support me. Oh, I don't want it to like explode. Oh no, I can see it rising. So now that I have reached 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna drink my apple cider and dye my hair. Cheers! So today I'm gonna be dyeing my hair with the Arctic Fox Purple Rain. So yeah, I have my bowl and everything. I haven't dyed my hair purple. I was gonna do a different blue, but I decided why not do purple and then maybe a blue later. By the way, purple is my favorite color, so that's why I got like purple this, purple that, and a purple scrunchie. And I kind of have like a purple eye look as well. Ooh, dude, these smell amazing. These gloves are stained from yesterday because I was trying to dye a little piece of my hair. And instead of doing parts on my hair, on my head, I think I'm just gonna like dump the whole bottle on my head and like, you know, so it's easier in a way. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. This is the color. Put my protection gloves on. Okay, I'm just gonna do like half my head so it's like an easier process. This might not be the smartest idea, but like it's way quicker than like doing each section by section. I'm just like rubbing my roots and like the back of my head. I think that's good for the scalp. I'm just gonna massage it in for 1 more minute before I go on to anything else. Now I'm gonna do the rest of What do you think? You wanna say hi to my fans? Say hi. Say hi. Tito. An hour has passed and I'm gonna need to wash my hair out. Okay, so this is how the color turned out to look like. My hands, when I was like washing it out, they got stained, and same with my skin, like on my cheek and a little bit on my ears. But it's okay because that'll wash off when I take a shower. This is actually a really pretty color. I'm like in love with it. Like, bro. I'll show you guys a close-up. It's like, it's so beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't mind my wacky hands right now. Yeah, once again, thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Apple cider. Drink this video well. Wait. Yeah!